Hi, welcome. In this video, we will solve problem transpose matrix on 2D arrays asked by companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Apple. Let's check out this problem. Transpose matrix. It's a easy level marked problem on Leetcode. Okay, this is a basic fundamental problem on matrix. Okay, so let's understand what is transpose matrix. So given a 2D integer array matrix, return the transpose of matrix. So what is transpose of a matrix? So transpose of a matrix is the matrix flip over its diagonal. Okay. So basically, if you flip from its diagonal, this is the main diagonal. Okay, let me take some other color. This is the main diagonal. If you flip the matrix, so your matrix will be look like this one. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The rows will become columns. Okay. Here the rows will become column. 1, 2, 3, 4 row will become column. 5, 6, 7, 8 row will become column. 9, 10, and 11, 12 row will become column. Okay. So this is what transpose of a matrix. And if in this case, so let me remove this one. I can remove. Suppose, let's understand basically what happens. Suppose this is of n cross m. That means n rows, m columns. So it will transfers to m rows, n columns. Okay. Suppose if you have a matrix of 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. Let's take this example. So we have a matrix of 2 rows, 3 columns. So its transpose will be look like this. If I rotate it, right, its transpose will be look like this one, right? So the rows will become columns. This is 2 cross 3 will becomes 3 cross 2. So here you can say 5 1 6 2 6 2 3 7. The only thing is that this is the first row, so this will should come first row. Let me see if I rotate it. Yeah, something like this. It's very hard to read, but yeah, this is how transpose of a matrix will look like. This will become, this is 1 over 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, let me remove it and let me create the new one. So this is how it will look like. 1 2 3 5 6 7 will become 1 2 3 5 6 7. Rows will become columns, column will become rows. Okay, let's check out the examples here. Okay, so in input matrix 1 1 2 3, you can see 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is your basically one row, second row, third row, right? Array of arrays is the matrix. Okay, now this row will become columns. You can see 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, then 4 5 6. This is one row, will become column. 4 is here, 5 is here, 6 is here. Let's check out this example. Example 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rows, 3 column. Exactly same as above this example. Okay. Now it's 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So it is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Here I have used 5, 6, 7. They have used 4, 5, 6. So that's why 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. But exactly the same, right? Rows now are the columns. Okay. And if there is a column, that will become row. So 1, 5 is a column. It's become a row. Okay. So now how we will solve this problem? So let's see. Let's solve for all different cases, right? So this is first case. Okay. When we have 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay. Then this is second case when you have 2 rows, 3 columns. And this is the third case when we have 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay. So whenever you are creating a transpose of a matrix, okay, I will fill all the details. I will fill the numbers, but I am just giving you a bit of hunch that how we will proceed. So when you are creating a transpose of a matrix, you want an empty matrix of opposite rows and columns. So basically you want a 2 cross 3 rows for this one, right? 3 cross 2 for this one, and 4 cross 4 matrix for this one. So for this, I will say I will create a 3 cross 2 matrix. So basically I will copy this one, right, and paste it. I will create a 2 cross 3, right, 2 rows, 3 column, right. So I will create an empty 2 cross 3 rows. Now for this one, what I will do, I will create a 3 cross 2. So basically this I will rotate it and it will be my 3 cross 2, 3 rows, 2 columns, right? And for this, I will create the same because rows and columns are same. So 4 cross 4. So this will be 4 cross 4, right? So we will create our new array, right? So this will be our new matrix, or I will say new mat. So this will be my new matrix. Okay, and this is the given matrix. So now let's see the numbers are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we will do, right? We have these rows, we will make it column, right? So what I will do, I will traverse in this direction, right? So I will first take this element, okay, and I will fill it here, right? Then I will take second element, but instead of fill it here, I will fill it here. So here basically I am traversing rows, but here I will traverse in columns. Simple opposite. Now again next row 3 comma 4, I will fill like this 3 comma 4. I will fill column wise. I will read it row wise, fill it column wise. I will take 5 and 6 and I will fill it column wise. Similarly, suppose this is mentioned with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, what I will do, I will read it row wise 1, 2, 3. I will fill it column wise 1, 2, 3. I will again read it column wise, row wise 4, 5, 6. I will fill it column wise. Okay. If we have a 4 cross 4, then it will be same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me fill all the details. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So what I will do, I will I will read it row by row, right? Now if I am reading row, so 1, 2, 3, 4 I will read, right? In this row, and how I will make it? I will make 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. I will fill it column wise. Again, next row, 5, 6, 7, 8, I will fill it column wise. Right. Next row, 9, 10, 11, 12, I'll fill it column wise. 9, 10, 11, 12. Next row, 13, 14, 15, 16, I'll fill it column wise. 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. So this will be our simple approach. Okay. Let me tell you what will be the pseudo code of it. So suppose we have given a matrix. Let's suppose, let's take one of the matrix. Let's take this one, this example. So you have this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I will do, I will create a new matrix. So this one. Okay. So what I will do, I will write a code of. So basically you can create. Okay. So if I simply write in JavaScript, there is one method to dynamically allocate matrix and there are different methods in different language. So here you can basically create something like this. Suppose my new will be mat, we'll say new array, and here we will fill basically rows, but what I will do, I will column because I want column of it. So before doing this, let's see, let's make it. What I will do, I will say, let's suppose I will take a row will be matrix that is given. Let's take, this is our matrix dot length, and I will make one column will be matrix 0 dot length, right? So we have row and column. What I will do, I will create new array with column because the column will become rows, right? For this rows, for this new mat, right? For this new mat, how many rows we have? 3 rows, right? 3 rows, 2 column, right? So 3 rows, what are 3? That is column. So I will fill it with column. Okay. So new array column dot fill, and how I will fill it? I will fill it with a new row. So basically there is one formula that we will use, simply map and then you can simply say array and instead of here I will create rows dot fill it with 0, right? So I am here using column, right? Creating like total number of rows. For here I will use row. Let me mark this as a also below. Okay, once this is done, you have created an empty matrix. Now what you will do? You will fill it. So how we will fill it? We will simply run a loop, okay, in traversing this matrix. So I will simply start from 0, okay, and during this traversing, what I will do, we will fill our space also. So I will say I less than column and I plus plus. So let's fill this one, right? So we are traversing in columns, okay. So we will fill column, but we will read this one, right? So for I, now I is done. I will say J. Let's J will start from 0. J less than a row. I'm running column wise and row wise. J plus plus, right? And I will fill mat of I comma j, that will be of matrix j comma I, right? What will the time complexity of this approach? Again, you are visiting column then row, so no, you will traverse all the elements. How many elements we have? That is n cross m, so it will be n cross m time complexity, and space complexity will also be n cross m, right? Because we are creating this space and we need to create a space, right? We can't do it in place because we need to, this is 2 cross 3, so we need to create a 3 cross 2 matrix, right? We can't do it in place. So don't worry about spacing, okay? We will take an space and that space will be an resultant space. So, okay, so that will be an output space we will return in the output. So this is how we can solve it. Also, like, it's up to you. If you want put row here then column, and then you can put j comma I, and here I comma j, that is also up to fine. Okay, there are different methods to solve, different implementation tricks to solve this, but this will be a pseudo code of it. Okay, you can see this is running in column. So suppose if column n cross m I have taken, so basically it's row cross, I am taking suppose m, we have column, n we have rows. So again the time complexity will be n cross m. Alright, this will be a basic implementation of it. And in the next video, I will show you the complete code implementation. Okay, that's a pseudo code, but that's a much of code. I will show you a complete code of it, how you can write it. And in the next, we will quickly see a quick dry run of this. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next video.